Hello everyone, welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, you are going to learn how to change default transition in Premiere Pro and how to quickly apply default transition in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. In order to apply the transition, you need to go to the effects and search for video transitions. And in the dissolve, you will find the default transition. So you can simply just drag and drop over your clip to apply that transition. So let me undo this and let me show you the quick way. And that quick way is by pressing Ctrl D or Command D. Or select all the clips and press Ctrl D or Command D, and that would quickly apply the default transition to all of your clips. If you want to change this default transition to something else, as you can see, if you see this blue line over this, that means that's the default transition. Then choose the second one and right click and select Set as default transition. And now if you press Ctrl D or Command D, that would apply the new transition to your clips. So that saves you a lot more time. Now, if you want to apply the transition on your audio clips or audio files, just go to the audio transition. You can choose any of these, but I prefer the exponential fade. So you need to drag it over that audio file to apply that. So that would fade in and out that transition. You can drag it in the beginning or in the end of the audio file to fade it out. But there is a simple shortcut way of applying these transition, and that is by pressing Ctrl Shift D or Command Shift D, and that would apply this transition quickly to the audio file. And if you want to change it again, you can see right click and select the set default transition. So now exponential fade is set as your default transition rather than the constant power or constant gain. So you can see that default audio transition has been applied. So this is how you can quickly apply the default transition in Premiere Pro, and you can quickly change the default transition to something else in Premiere Pro. And please don't subscribe to the channel if you don't want to. Just hit the like button. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.